Hello everyone. Here we have the door latches of our 74 yellow convertible. As you may remember, I took everything out of the doors, windows, tracks, so forth and so on, and also decided to take out the door latches. It was a good time to clean them up, re-lube them, and see if they were going to function correctly before putting them back in. Now this particular one is for the driver's side. Okay, there are 3 screws that are used to attach it to the inside of the door facing the door jamb. There's one here, and one down here. So when you open the door, the part that faces the door jamb, you're going to see those 3 screws. All right. Obviously, when it's installed, this part faces the door skin, the outer door skin. This lever works your door handle as the rod fits into here, held with a clip. Okay, this is your lock mechanism. This is locked, and that's unlocked. Obviously, when you turn your key, this fits into the slot of the door lock, the door pull, I think it's called, and then, you turn the key, and that's how that operates. And then this part here is where your inside door handle, it's all connected here to rod, and that will open. Okay, and as you can see on this side, there's always a lot going on. There's a lot of springs in here, so forth and so on. I don't think I'll ever take one of these apart, but you want to check them to make sure that it's working correctly. So right now, again, this is locked, this is unlocked. What we're going to do is, this is the latch that goes around the door striker that's in the door jamb. We're going to set that as if the door is closed. You heard the click. Okay. This operates the handle, and you can see that works fine. So we're going to set it again. Okay. And this is the inside, and that works fine. Now, I'm going to set it a 3rd time, and then we're going to lock the door, and nothing's working. Okay, so everything is operational on this particular one. Going to unlock it, and that works good. So that's going back into the car. Now apparently the one on the passenger side having a little bit of trouble with this. So rather than mess with it, I lubed it up. I even used the Croil, and I even used some of this Slide Glide that was recommended by one of our members, and along with various other lubricants, and it's just not working. So apparently there's something going on here. When we try, let me see if I could get this to going. Okay, when we try to open the door, it's just, I know I don't have the strength I had years ago, but it's not doing anything. Okay, now I don't know if I can get a good angle of the camera here, but inside this opening here, and again, you might not be able to see it, but the door latch itself goes up to this other piece. And when you move either mechanism, this piece up here is supposed to lift up, okay, and which will let the latch come down, but that's not happening. So what I have to do to get that to come down is press this up again. I apologize for the camera angle, and then kind of push this down, and then this comes back out, okay, as you can see here. So this is, I'm going to say, somewhat defective. I don't want to put this in the car and just have it work part at a time, and it just would create a problem. So we have a new door latch ordered for the right side, passenger side. You check your vendors, because there's a difference in price of up to $30 depending on who you go with. So do your homework if you need to order a latch. And that's about it. So you have a general idea of how these work. Again, this one works sometimes or whatever, but there's something going on in the inside which I'm not even going to attempt to figure out right now. And it's just better to replace it and not have to worry about it. To take this apart, well, that's a project for another time. It'd be interesting to do. All right, just wanted to run that by you. Hope you are enjoying the weekend. See ya.